Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a simple task of replacing a pollen filter, aka dust filter, on in Audi Q2. Don't mind the dirty dashboard. I must add that this is one of those devices that are the most accessible in VW Audi vehicles. This and the fuses, otherwise everything else is a nightmare on these engines. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open the glove compartment. Once you've opened the glove compartment, you're supposed to unclip these two. That's the cover for the filter. There's one on the left and then there's one on the bottom right. You just push that upwards and this cover comes out. So this is the first cover that you remove. You remove this cover also to access the fuses on the left side, passenger compartment fuses. The filter is there on the right hand side. Now that we've removed the first cover, let me put it on the side. We also have got the actual filter cover. This cover you remove, you look for a flat like this, flat screwdriver. You'll notice there are 3 points where you're supposed to pry it down. There's this one, and this one. So you just position your screwdriver there, pry it down, position your screwdriver there again, pry it down, pulling towards you. Then the last one. I can now show you. Then try to lift it up from this bottom Make sure you don't force this. If it still feels stiff, try using your screwdriver again down there. So you should lift it up. Okay, so there's my filter. Try to pull it using my screwdriver. It's quite dirty. Oops. Oh, yeah, there it is. So I'm going to replace that. Something you need to take note of when you're replacing these filters is the direction of the airflow. If you notice the one that I've just removed, the old one, maybe you won't be able to see, but there's an arrow pointing downwards. So the air incoming, that's why you see there's a lot of trapped elements at the top. There's a lot of flowers and pollen and everything's at the top. Then the bottom of it is cleaner. So that's the cleaner side, that's the dirtier side. So when the one that you replace, this is my new one. Usually the side that's printed, that's the unprinted side, is the front side like that. And if you notice the direction of, I should put it in the same direction with the arrow pointing downwards. So that's what exactly what I'm going to do, just slot it in there. And everything else is just reverse order. To make sure that the filter is flush with the edges of its housing. Can you see the housing surface is flush on that edge, on the left edge and on the right edge? Now I can safely return the cover. The words, of course, you see those words upright, and you've got the markers. Remember those top 3 push-in fittings that we wedged our screwdriver with. Job complete.